All right, well now we're here for step 4. It's our final step of baking. And so our nice bread dough has been resting for about an hour. And at the same time, in a 400 and, I don't know, 440, 450, whatever seems to work for you, oven for an hour. The Dutch oven is nice and blazing hot. So we take that out, take off the lid, and I grab underneath this towel like that, stick my hand under here, and sort of gently flop it in the pan. Put the lid back on, back in the oven. 30 minutes with the lid on, and then 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes with the lid off until it's, kind of browned nicely on top. Take it out, get it out of the Dutch oven, sit it on a rack or on the counter and let it cool and enjoy. That is sourdough bread a la Herman.